Hi guys, I'm Mishi and I'm here today to share with you my impressions about the Divoom ONBEAT-500, the second generation speaker. I chose it for its sleek and elegant design that fits perfectly in my working space. About the technical specs, it has Bluetooth 4.0, NFC technology, a built-in microphone, and a 5000 mAh rechargeable battery. I've been using it for 2 months already, and I can tell you it sounds really good in music, with a very good bass for such a small enclosure, and even better for my daily dose of TV shows and movies. As soon as I turn it on, it enters in the pairing mode. So let's pair it with my laptop. It says it's connected now. You can hear the sound, so everything should be working fine. And this is the sound. So this is my speaker, thank you for watching, and I'm here if you have any questions. Please subscribe and I'll get back to you soon with new videos. Bye!